Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know that My Mind's Eye is having a sale. So they do have paper. You guys know they do not make new paper collections anymore. And they had like a sale a really long time ago, but I guess they had some new collections that I haven't seen before. So yeah, I had to place an order, but I will link you guys to this website of other paper stuff as well. But I want to show you guys the actual paper kind of collection. So I'm going to keep scrolling. Wait, no, this is not the right category. I need to get to the paper category. I will link you guys to the paper category. Hold on, let me just try to find it. Okay, you guys, it's in the same section. As soon as you get to that main page, you just got to scroll down. So you're going to come across the Wild Asparagus collection. Now, they don't have the paper to go with this, but if you have the collection, you wanted some washi, some stamps, or some embellishment chipboard stickers, there you go. They also have the Merry and Bright. Again, they do not have the paper. I have a ton of paper of this, so I did buy some more journal cards because I love when I could get a pack of journal cards for $1.50, you guys, $1.50. So you might want to get your hands on some journal cards. They got stickers, stamp set, and they also have chipboard. Next up, they have this collection called One of a Kind. So you could get the 6x6, you could get the paper and accessories pack, you could get just the chipboard or just the 6x8 paper pad. I think I have that in my stash. It's not one of my favorites just because it's so colorful and bright, and that's not how I do things. Next up, this is a new to me collection called Gingham Gathering. So I did get a bunch of enamel dots because they're $1.50 and they come with a bunch here. Stickers, mixed bag, and you know, I got myself some of the 6x8 paper pad. I got 4 packs of those guys. They're $2.50 each. You don't want to miss that. $2 for the ephemera, $1.75 for like the sticker sheets, and $1.50 for the enamel dots. Another new to me collection was this one called Adventure. So again, I got a bunch of enamel dots. They're cheap. I got a mixed bag, stickers, and I got 2 of the Adventure 6x8 paper pad. I like the colors. I like the green, the black, and the browns. It is pretty. And then I've also never seen this collection, which is called the Wildflowers. So I got 4 of the 6x8 paper pads as well. Got some sticker sheets, got some enamel dots, and I got the mixed bag of ephemera. And then I also got one of these. This is a 12x12 paper pad for $5 buckaroos, you guys. It's such a good deal. You definitely want to get it. Like, yes, you guys, you want to get your hands on this. So that's it for all the paper stuff. I mean, they have paper plates and things you could get for Halloween parties if you're going to have one, or pumpkin parties. And they have like other themes as well. But I was mainly looking at the Halloween and the pumpkin as well, because I like to throw a pumpkin carving party every year. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know My Mind's Eye is having a great sale on some of their paper. I mean, the 12x12 Gingham Gardens, I had that in my stash, but I had to get another paper pad because it's only $5. So just wanted to let you guys know, happy shopping, and that is all. I will definitely show you guys my haul video once it arrives. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.